Hey you guys, I'm super excited to show you the newest item that I'm adding to my GLEEmade shop. It is the bonnet and head wrap set. So these come in 5 different amazing prints. This one is called Ocean Depths, and these bonnet and head wrap sets really make your head wrap game super duper easy, simple for any of us out there that are head wrap challenged and it seems like our head wraps never come out right. This is the perfect combo for you. You do get a bonnet that you can wear as a sleep cap. You can wear it out. It's a beautiful fabric, beautifully made. It has a really soft elastic band that's super comfortable to sleep in all night, and it's also super secure. I wear mine at night and my bonnet stays on all night long. And then it also comes with a super long strip of fabric that is a lot easier to deal with than the large, wide 2-yard fabric that is in my normal head wraps. This one is only a very thin strip of fabric, so it's easier to work with and less intimidating than a regular head wrap. The long fabric you can tie around your bonnet to create the perfect seamless head wrap look. All you need to do is make sure when you put your bonnet on and you want to wear it as a head wrap, just slide it back just slightly behind your hairline and behind your ears. Then you're going to go ahead and use your head wrap strip. You're going to wrap that around your head 2 to 3 times and then just tie it in the back and tuck in the ends. And you have a perfect gorgeous head wrap. So if you guys like these, you can definitely grab them on my website, GLEEmade.com, and I'll leave the link down below. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe and check me out. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.